still paying monthly for AI tools? What if you could unlock one AI workspace for a single payment and create content, websites, code, marketing assets, and more in minutes? Most creators and entrepreneurs waste hundreds of dollars every year switching between different AI platforms. It costs more, takes longer, and slows down productivity. Claude Geo brings everything into one dashboard. Generate blogs, YouTube scripts, websites, presentations, AI images, marketing copy, business documents, and coding assistance, all designed to help you work faster and more efficiently. The product is marketed as offering lifetime access with no recurring subscription during its launch offer. If you're a content creator, freelancer, marketer, or small business owner looking to boost productivity with AI, check out the link below to see if Claude Geo fits your needs.